we are looking at how to pronounce these words, generally used to refer to types of rocks from geology. We'll be looking at how to say more names, including of rocks, and more pronunciation, so make sure to stay tuned to learn more. This is how you would spell this word phonetically. Igneous, with a stress on that first syllable, igneous. An example of sentence: the ocean floor is covered primarily with basalt rock and igneous rock. Igneous is how you pronounce this word correctly. Igneous, remember? Now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support and thanks for watching.